Welcome to this powerful video on affirmations for success. Affirmations are positive statements that can help rewire your mindset and attract success. Repeat these statements daily to reinforce a positive belief system. I am capable of achieving any goal I set my mind to. I am confident and equipped with the skills necessary to succeed. I am grateful for all the opportunities that come my way. I am surrounded by love, abundance, and positivity. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. I deserve success and will take consistent action to achieve it. I am worthy of all the success and happiness that comes into my life. I attract success effortlessly and effortlessly manifest my desires. I trust in my abilities and have complete faith in my journey. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. Success is not just about achieving external goals, but also about personal growth. Believe in yourself and have self-discipline to stay focused on your goals. Visualize yourself already achieving success and feel the excitement and joy associated with it. Use affirmations to eliminate self-doubt and replace it with unwavering confidence. Affirmations can help you overcome obstacles and turn setbacks into stepping stones. I am resilient and can overcome any challenge that comes my way. I am constantly learning and improving in pursuit of my dreams. I am in control of my thoughts and choose to focus on positivity. I release any negative beliefs that may hinder my success. Affirmations can activate the law of attraction by aligning your thoughts with your desires. I am a magnet for success, and opportunities gravitate towards me. I am attracting abundance in all aspects of my life. I am worthy of achieving my dreams and making a positive impact in the world. By affirming your success, you invite positivity and take conscious steps towards your goals. I am taking action towards my goals every single day. I am committed to my growth and success, no matter how long it takes. I am grateful for the progress I've made, and I celebrate even the smallest victories. I am constantly attracting mentors and resources to support me on my journey. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch your affirmations manifest your success. I am manifesting my dreams and living a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Remember, affirmations are a tool that can unlock your potential and create a lasting impact on your life. Make them a part of your daily routine and watch as your mindset transforms for the better. Affirmations are powerful. Start using them today and step into a life of unlimited success.